Hi, my name is Stephanie Boson, and this is my micro lesson for Arizona State University's TESOL Capstone Project number 1. In this short lesson, I will be demonstrating a portion of an ESL class focused on clear objectives, warm teacher language, and student-centered instruction. You will see a brief warm-up, explicit instruction and modeling, and opportunities for guided student practice. My goal is to create an engaging, supportive learning environment where adult ESL learners feel comfortable participating, using language meaningfully, and building confidence. This lesson reflects my teaching style and the strategies that I use in my ESL classroom. Stephanie Boson, Arizona State University. Topic, academic speaking using discussion phrases. Level, intermediate adult, ESL. Good morning, everyone. I'm so glad to see you today. We're going to practice some ways to share your ideas in a classroom discussion. But first, let's warm up a little. Think about a question. What makes a class discussion interesting? Take a moment to think about your answer. Now, I want you to turn to a partner and share your answer.
Well, I think a discussion is interesting when everyone participates.
That's a great point. I agree. And I'd also add that it's interesting when students ask questions to learn from each other. Let's think about that as we move into today's lesson. So here's our goal for today. By the end of this mini lesson, you will be able to use key discussion phrases like, I agree with, and I see your point, but when sharing your opinion. These phrases are really helpful because they help you participate confidently in discussions, respond politely to others, and make your ideas clear. Can anyone think of a time when using one of these phrases might help in a conversation? Yes.
Maybe in a class discussion?
Exactly. That's a perfect example. You can use these phrases anytime you want to respond to someone respectfully and clearly. These phrases are easy to use, and they make your speaking sound more natural in a discussion. What's the most important skill in school?
I think reading is the most important skill.
I see your point, but I think speaking is also important because it helps you share ideas and communicate with others.
I agree with reading, but writing is also very important.
Perfect. I agree with you because writing helps you explain your ideas clearly. Now, let's practice together, and I want you to respond using one of our phrases. So the topic, should students use technology in class?
Yes, teacher, because it helps students learn faster.
Great, I see your point, but I think it's also important for students to have discussions without technology because it helps them think critically. See how that works? You can start with, I agree with, or I see your point, but, and then explain your idea. Let's try one more on your own. The topic, what is the best place to study? Pretend I'm your classmate. Respond using one of our phrases.
In my opinion, studying in small groups is the best.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. That's exactly right. You can also say, I agree with you because, and then give your reason. Great work today. You practice using discussion phrases, responded to others politely, and sharing your ideas clearly. Remember, these phrases are tools you can use in any discussion, in class, or even in real life. Thank you for participating, and I look forward to our next lesson. Bye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye.